Hello mates, welcome to Full Stack Java Developer. Today we'll see here how to debug in IntelliJ IDEA the Spring Boot application. See, part 1 already we have covered with the core application, actually core Java application. But today we are come up with the advanced level like in Spring Boot application, how we are going to debug the program. Then see, for that perspective, I already created the project here. This is kind of CRUD application I created here. Then see we have available number of REST APIs here. Then first what I will do actually, I will simply go ahead and add the breakpoint. I want to test the APIs like sign up, sign in find by ID. Even will come up with some APIs like update as well, right? Yes. Even delete as well will come up with API testing and debug the application. Then see, first I will add the breakpoint at line number 27. See, this is the way we are going to add the, like you can simply say breakpoint. It means this is the toggle we are going to add here. Next, I want to add for sign in perspective as well. We'll add one more like in find by ID as well. Fine. Yes, find all. I am not going to test it. We'll test one more like update and the delete. You can simply say we are going to test it. Like those we are trying to debug it. Then see, I added those number of breakpoints here. Why we are adding the breakpoints? Because once we are going to test this API, then definitely our program will be stop that particular line itself. Then see, here will come with the main class main method, and then you can simply right click and go to the debug. Otherwise, here you are able to see option we have available the the symbol itself, small and symbol available there, right? You can click on that as well. But better way, simply open the main class main method, and then you can simply start with the debug the application. Now what we are expecting it will goes to like start our application and the port number is 8080. Once it up and running, then definitely we'll come back to like here Chrome browser and hitting here localhost, the port number we are passing 8080 forward slash swagger hyphen html. Then see our swagger also here goes to work once our application started here, right? Yes. Now application started, simply come back to here, swagger also up and running here. Then simply try come up with the sign up. Then sign up perspective, I'm passing here like the name, salary, email and password. I will pass my email ID here, actually my name itself. The next we are passing salary as well. Next we are passing email as well. Dot in. Then see I'm passing password also here. The password I'm passing 2026. Once we are trying to click on execute, then see debug pointer is enabled here. Line number 27. It comes directly here, right? Yes. And see this is the debug window. You are able to see one screen here, right? Yes. Now we have available here step 4. It means you can simply say next line. Next we have available step into, it means inside function. And we have step out, it means you can simply come with the outside function. And here you are able to rerun the application as well. If you want to rerun this application, you can click on that. It will start your application again. And here you are able to stop the application as well. And this way, like we are able to filter it out as well. See the watch. And this one is resume. It means if you don't have any breakpoints next and you want to resume entire program, you can click on that as well, right? And if there is any breakpoint, it will stop there as well. Now I want to go to the step over, it means next line. But before that, I want to show you here like request body we have available this employee here. And if you are come up with this employee here, right, then see this is the data available there. ID is null because ID it will be at increment. The name, salary, email ID and password also you are able to see on screen here. And this part I like in IntelliJ actually. Like IntelliJ you can simply set this data, you are able to see here as well directly, correct? See one screen, this is the data available here in debug mode. Now we are just going to step over, it means next line by using function effect. This is the shortcut key available there. Click on that. See we are come with the next line, and next line we are calling which function? Service sign up function we are calling here actually, right? And this again the employee we are passing as the input as a here actually. Then see just ID is not available or all data available there. Then if front end you are like they are not passing the data, right? Then definitely here you are able to debug and you are able to understand like why data coming as null. If data coming here null, any data is missing here, then you can ask for front end developer, you need to fix from your side actually, right? That's why like debug the program line by line, that will be great for us. Now I want to go inside sign up function. How to go? For that perspective, we have available step into. It means you can simply say F7 available. Click on that directly and click on here sign up. it will come here directly service here service layer, right? And which function? Sign up function. And again here you are able to see the employee. Then see this is the employee name available there, right? And accordingly you are able to see username and password as well, everything correct. Yes. Now what we are trying to do, we are just trying to like execute the entire program, because next line what happen, next line it will go to internal for repository layer. And you know, like repository have capability inbuilt methods, it will insert data into database, right? Yes. Then I will simply click on resume. It means entire program goes to execute, and here we are getting the response as well. This data is inserted and this is the fifth number record actually, right? Yes. Now what we are trying to do, we are come with the next, and next we have available here sign in functionality. Then sign in functionality perspective, I am just passing the incorrect username password, right? Yes. You can simply pass here, suppose Kiran Jadhav at the rate. You can simply say fullstack Java developer.in, we are passing the right. Otherwise, here, if you are calling find all, we haven't added any, you know, the breakpoint here. It will fetch data actually. Then the last record, I will copy the username password there. You can simply copy it and come back to sign in perspective. Here I'm passing instead of typing it right manually, and the password we are passing 2026. See, this is the last record. It means fifth, six number record we have available. See, I'm passing here. Now you can simply click on execute. See, immediately it comes where in sign in API. How it comes? Because if you are come back to here, right, we are calling which API? Sign in API we are calling there actually. See, sign in, we are passing email and password as well here, correct? Yes. Then once you are coming back here, see, this is the email and password you are able to see. The email is there, and this is the password actually you are able to see on screen, right? Yes. I want to show you in detail. Then simply mouse over there. See, this is the email and this is the password we are able to see, correct? Yes. Now I want to go inside which method? Sign in function. How to go? We have available here F7 inside method. Click on that directly. Once you click on that sign in, you are able to see here, right? Actually, and this is the email. I just mouse over there, right? And this is the password like we are passing here. It means both we are passing correct. Then definitely this is not null actually here, right? It means this will mark as a true here actually, correct? Then this definitely we're expecting the response also true itself here. Then you can simply go ahead and resume it. See the response available there true, you are able to see. But in case if I am not passing correct credentials, right? If I am passing here such a wrong credentials, again execute. You can simply come back to here. Then see I want to go inside sign in function. How to go? F F7 available there, step into, you can simply say sign in function. Then definitely here the email ID you are passing correct, but the password is wrong, right? Then definitely there is no such data available for corresponding email and password. It will come as a null itself actually. Then definitely it will return here false. Now the response you are able to see on screen here as false itself actually, correct? Yes. Then see, next we are trying find by ID as well to test it. I am passing the fifth number ID here. Just click on execute. It will come again here because we have added the breakpoint there, right? Yes. Then if you want to go next line actually, right? Yes, you can go ahead with the, you can simply say step over. Next line means it will give us the output directly, but we have available find by ID method. That's why we'll come up with the F7 here, right? Yes. Click on like step into, and definitely I want to go where find by ID, but before that see which ID record we're trying to fetch fifth number, then come with the find by ID. See here also we are passing 5. Then here we are using optional class. It will help us to avoid null pointer exception if the data is not there. But here in this program I handle the record not found exception as well, correct? Yes. Then definitely there is available data of fifth number records, then definitely we're expecting the data there. Then see, if you want to like view breakpoints, you can click on view breakpoints as well. You are able to see all the breakpoints here, and even you are able to uncheck those breakpoints as well. If you want to uncheck any breakpoints from here now, you can click uncheck. Like we have removed from here, right? Actually, but if you want to add, you can simply add, click on done here. The next, here you are able to move the breakpoint as well. If you want to move any breakpoints there, you are able to move the breakpoints as well. Fine. Yes, I want to show you this one. Then see what I will do. I will just resume it, and again I will come back to here. Like employee controller, we have available delete mapping. For that also we have added some breakpoint there, right? Yes. Then if you are going to click on move breakpoints here, right? See move breakpoint. And now I am trying to execute which one? Delete mapping. Then see, we are expecting it will goes to work directly. Simply try it out. Fifth number record, it will goes to delete directly. See 204, it means no content data is deleted. If you want to check in database, now there is not available fifth number records. We'll try find all, then execute. Fifth number record is not available. Fine, because we have deleted here, right? Yes. Then C makes like here mute breakpoint, it means we are able to disable the breakpoints as well, correct? Yes. And again, if you want to view the breakpoints, you can view as well. Again, if you want to rerun this application, correct? Simply click on run as well. It will again start with the debug mode only. You not want to worry about that. Fine? Yes. And in debug mode also, if you want to stop your application, you can simply click here, stop the application as well. Correct. Then definitely in project we have number of functionalities available. Upcoming sessions I will give the advanced debugging part as well. Here you will get the like real-time use cases mostly, right? Yes. Now we'll come back to next we are trying to debug, the update data as well, right? Yes. Then update perspective, I am just trying to update data here. We have available employee number 1 as Akanksha. We are trying to update the record. Then see here update, try it out. This is the first record we are trying to update here. Then ID you can remove from here. We are trying to update the salary. Suppose we are trying to update as 9,50,000 here. We are passing the password as well 2026. Now simply try to click on execute. Then what happened here? Like after the API, we already added the breakpoint there, right? We're expecting it will go to top execution there at API layer. Which line? Line number 48. See here is it. Like which ID? ID number 1. And this is the request payload we are trying to update here. See this is the request payload. It means you can simply say this is the employee name. We have employee salary, EMP email ID and password we are passing there. Correct? Now we are trying to go inside function. How to go? We have available here. You can simply say step into. Click on that directly. Click on update. See this data. Now we have available step over to go ahead with the next line here, right? Yes, simply click on step over. See it will come here. It will paste the corresponding employee data, actually existing data 5,50,000 and the password also existing. Now what we are trying to do here, we are getting this data from here, right? This Swagger UI. And this data we are getting and this set to our database fields. Then see step I will use here over, it means next line, next line, next line. See now here almost data is updated there. If you are going to check it in employee 1, right, then definitely you are able to see like name of the ID is 1, name of employees Akanksha here, employee salary is 9,50,000. And again, the email ID and the password you are able to see, right? Oh, sorry, password is not updated because we are in this line, current line, right? Yes. Then if you want to check what is the password you are able to see here, we are passing 2026. But once this executed, then and then, this line executed, then and then you are able to see password is updated there. See one screen. Now password also 2026. Now what we are expecting that a JPA internally, it will go to update into database. I will simply go to the resume program. Then see updated data you are able to see on screen here 9,50,000 and the password as 2026. Same if you are trying to again here find all, right, we have available there, correct? Execute. See the first number record, the salary as 9,50,000 and the password also 2026. Then here I want to highlight we have one more thing available here. Let's set expression as well, right? Yes. Then if you are going to debug anything again, I just want to try with, you can simply say find by ID here, right? Just try with execute. We don't have fifth number record. I will go to the like first number record, execute. See here once you are coming, then see this line number 38, it stops because we have added the breakpoint there, right? And here we are trying to paste the data for employee to 1. Then here if you are come up back to here, see we have available for step over. It means forcefully you are able to go to the next line. Step into, it means you can simply say inside function, inside method we are able to go ahead with that actually. And here important thing you are able to see like evaluate expression as well. Then here if you want to add any business logic and you want to test this like GST billing application, suppose we are trying to apply the 18% GST, right? You can create such expression and you can try to test those expressions as well here. For that perspective we are going to use the evaluate as well. Then upcoming sessions I will come up with the deep dive with the real-time projects how we are trying to debug the application here, right? Yes. But this session we learn here like you can simply say resume program, it means continue execution until next breakpoint, it means we are using F9 for that. Step over, it means you can simply say next line, we are using F8 for that. Step into, it means inside function, inside method, we are using F7 for that. Step out, it means you can simply say exit the current method and return to caller, it means tip F8 we are using there. And stop debugging we have available here, you can simply stop the debug our application. For that we are using Ctrl F2. And this is the great thing, like here also you are able to see the debug pointer here, right? Like this is the way we are able to run our application. This is the way we are able to stop our application here. Then here you are able to resume the program as well if you want to resume it. Next we have available again pause the program as well. Step over it means next line, step into it means inside method, step out it means outside. You can come outside of current method as well. And here we have available few breakpoints, and the last one we have available mid breakpoints. In upcoming sessions we'll come up with the in detail how this evolution expression works there, right? Yes. Then mates, this is the way we have done with our session. Then stay tuned to Start Java Developer YouTube channel and for project based learning. And if you want to go to the advanced level, right, to go to the entire like full stack tech stack, then you can join us and start your career in full stack Java development. And please do like, share, subscribe the channel to get more updates, and see you in next video.